Hey, it's Malika with Lose a Pound Daily. I wanted to talk to you about an affiliate program that we have at Lose a Pound Daily. You can earn 20% off of the purchases that are made when you share your referral link. You can share your referral link on any source of social media, on your blog if you have one, if you have a website, anywhere that your customer base follows you. You could share your affiliate link, and if someone purchases products using your link, you'll get 20% commission. Now, in addition to that, you can also build a team that could also share their affiliate links, and you will get paid off of their sales 3 levels down. So I'll talk about that in a different video. However, I wanted to talk about the first level is becoming an affiliate with Lose a Pound Daily. So go to our website here at loseapounddaily.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And here you'll see become an LAPD affiliate, which is short for Lose a Pound Daily. So once you click on that, it'll take you to our earnings page. And here it tells you that you earn up to 20% commission for every successful referral. Now, what do we mean by successful? Successful is a person who purchases the product using your identifying link, and they keep the product. So we have a 30-day return policy. If they return the product before the 30 days, of course, you will not get paid commission on that because it will be null. It didn't happen, essentially. So anything after 30 days, you'll get paid your 20% commission on. So you're paid once a month for the products that you have purchased in that 30-day period. All right. If you scroll down here, then so what do we mean by successful referral? A successful referral is someone who has used your affiliate link so that it gets tracked back to you, and they have purchased and made and then you'll make your 20% commission off of their purchase. However, we do offer a 30-day money back guarantee. So it is after that 30-day period that you will then get the commission for that sale. So we pay commissions 30 days after the sale. So what you would do here is go ahead and hit the join now button. But before you do that, let me scroll down to the bottom of the page and just show you a couple of things. So here it's free and easy to join, absolutely free. You do not have to have an auto ship. You don't have to have a minimum amount to join. None of that. It's just you sign up and then you start sharing the link and then you get paid. Here is a place where you could actually go into, and it'll tell you about advertising to the customers, whether you have a large network, content site, social media, you're an influencer, a blogger. We have simple linking tools to meet your advertising needs and help you monetize. So if you go in here, you'll see the linking tools that are in here, and you'll be able to use that to monetize. And then there's some language that you definitely want to read here. It reiterates the standard commission structure for all of the products is 20%. However, for the 40-day kit, which is the HCG, that is $20 that you'll get a flat fee. So it tells you here that the standard commission of 20% is given on all products, excluding the ones that are in special offer section. We have a 40-day kit that gives you $20, and we'll talk about that one at a different time. But I wanted to give you the opportunity to go ahead and join the affiliate partner program. So this is the page that you would come to when you are ready to go ahead and sign up. You can either enter your name and your email address and your password here and create an account, or if you prefer, you can go ahead and log in through Google or Facebook, and you'll be directly logged in that way. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now that I've logged in, it takes me to my back office. Ta-da! You will have this same back office. So in here, this is your referral link. This is that special link that you have to use, and your customers have to actually go through the website using this link in order for you to get credit. Because you see this, that's REF equals, and then this identifier, that is your unique code. That's the only way we're going to know that you referred that customer that purchased $1,000 worth of items. That's the only way that we're going to know. So just make sure that you are using this, you copy it, and then you put it on whatever website, whatever blog, whatever social media, your Instagram, whatever. You use that and you put it there, and then those people will be cookied back to you. Now, in addition to that, If you wanted to, you can also sign up other people that will be under you. And you could do that 3 levels down. So what that means is that if you use the sign up link, that's the network link, you invite others, you grow your network, and you earn commissions, you'll get not only 20% off of your earnings, your direct earnings, but you'll get 8% off of level 1 people. So if you refer someone and then they refer someone, you'll get 8% off of their sales. And then that person that refers someone, you'll get 6% off their sales. That person that refers someone, you'll get 4%. So it goes down 3 levels. And in addition to that, you're still getting your 20%. And there is no cap, there is no limit to how much you can earn. As much as someone purchases, you can get paid out those commissions. And of course, you'll get paid. Well, let me back up. Let me go ahead and go through this. So it keeps track of how many referrals you have, how many orders you have. This is a test account, so of course I don't have any referrals or orders. How many conversions, how many sales, earnings, so forth and so on. And you can run a report for the month, last month, or 30 days, all time. You can run a report so you'll see how much you're making. If you go into here where the marketing tools are, this will continuously be updated. But this is what you could use to tell your customers and show your customers about the products that Lose a Pound Daily have. There'll be educational products in here. There'll be posts that you can use on your Instagram. They'll be uploaded here. Information about the products that you could download. You could just take this link and you could just save the image and then upload it to whatever social media platform you want to use. These are very high definition images. The pixelation is very high, so you'll be able to put this on your social media or whatever platform. And then here is branding. And of course, like I said, I'll upload more information here. So you have a ton of information to give out to your customers. But you can download the logo. You can download the how it works. As far as our weight loss program, our green label program, our brown label program, and our silver label. Let me just talk about this for a second if you don't know. So now we do a color coding type of labeling, which seems to make it a lot easier. So the pink is for weight loss, the green is for health and wellness, weight loss maintenance, the brown is for the men's line, and the silver is for our 55 and older ladies. So Lose a Pound Daily wants to be your everything, your total package for men, women, children, and we will be adding a pet line at some point. So you can download this information and you can put it on your social media. And this is the way that you can, one of the ways that you could help to grow your network, telling them how to become an affiliate. But you'll have more information in here that you can put on your social media, like I stated, or your websites, or be able to copy information and put this on your platform so that people will get more information about the program. And here it tells you about your network again. There's another page for your sign up link. Here it gives you again all of your information about your referrals if you have any. If you have want to look at the network map, once you get one, you can click that and it'll show you that information in there. Here is how you're going to get paid. So your payment information, this is not how you're going to get paid, excuse me. This is your payment information. So once you begin to get paid, all of this information will be in here. Pardon me. All of that information will be in there, okay? Once you begin to get paid, all of that payment information will be in here. This is how you get paid. So this is the profile, your name, if you have a website, Instagram, all the information you want to put on here. The referral code, your unique referral code, which is the same here. You want to make sure that you always have that copied onto your media pages. Now here, if you go into payment settings, it's asking you how you would like to get paid. And of course, like I stated, the payment term is net 30 days because we have to make sure that there's no returns on the products that you are that you're basically selling or telling people about. We want to make sure that there's no returns on those sales. So if you go in here and you hit setup and you go here, it's either PayPal or a store discount coupon. Most of you are going to want PayPal. So just make sure that you go in here to PayPal and you put your PayPal email address in and click save, because that's the way that you will get paid. And then if you want to track and see where your conversions are coming from and you have a Facebook pixel ID based on a business page that you may have on Facebook, you put that in there and then it'll track your pixels for you. And that is it. That is it. That as far as what you would need to do to get signed up as an affiliate. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@loseapounddaily.com. But it's very simple to go ahead and get signed up. You could potentially pay for Christmas and not have to have any money come out of your pocket whatsoever. Because again, we do not require that you sign up and have an auto ship. So there's no money that's coming out of your account every month for an auto ship. There's no membership dues. We take care of the product. We take care of shipping the product. We take care of customer service with the product. We take care of returns. So there's nothing that you need to do out of pocket up front. So, and unfortunately, but fortunately, that's the reason why our commission structure is how it is. There are other companies that they may offer a lot more in commissions, but that's because, for one, the price is higher and you're required to then resell the product. So they basically, some of these companies, they'll give you a 50% discount, and then you'll go and resell the product, and then that's basically your commissions. But us, you don't have to stock any inventory, you don't have to purchase anything up front. You are using the Lose a Pound Daily brand, which is a brand, and you are now able to tell other people about that and make money based on selling the product. And the sales are just you posting your affiliate link, letting people know about the product, them coming back to the website and actually purchasing the product. You also can add them to our Lose a Pound Daily Facebook group, and we will coach them, we will train them, we will educate them on the product, how to use the product, what products to take, any information that they want. In addition to that, we will provide recipes. You can also take them to the website here at Lose a Pound Daily. If customers are asking more information about the product, you can take them here to the website, and it will give them the how it works. They'll know. And again, when you send them to Lose a Pound Daily, make sure that you use your affiliate link. Don't just tell them loseapounddaily.com, because you won't get paid. So use the affiliate link so that the customers will be able to come in using your link, and then you could tell them about all of the items that we have here. So on the left side, it's broken down into the categories. Again, pink label, weight loss. And you may notice that a lot of our product labels haven't changed yet. We are in the process of changing all of the labels, so they will eventually all be changed over. So all of these labels will be pink. There are some that have been changed. Okay, so like here, there's a bundle with the Forskolin and the Garcinia Cambogia. Because that's considered to be a weight loss product, it is a pink product, a pink label product. The Forskolin was changed too, but it seems like it just hadn't been updated yet to the system. We also have Garcinia Cambogia that's been changed, so I'll have to check that and make sure that they get updated to the system. We have health products here, is like our collagen complex, that's green. That's been changed over. All of this will be changed over so that it'll reflect the new labels. We have a tea collection with all of our teas. We even have the menopause tea that is for the women that are 55 and older, or are younger than 55. But that's one of the programs or the categories that we had mentioned. We're out of stock right now, but we'll be restocking that very shortly. We have clothing. We have our best-selling items that are categorized here, that your customers can come in and say, oh, what's the thing that's selling the most at Lose a Pound Daily? What are the products? And this is it. Is our probiotics is the #1 seller right now, followed by the Forskolin, and then the Success Tea, Garcinia Cambogia, and so forth and so on. Now, what if your customers weren't ready to buy yet, but they wanted to make sure that they had their products, so when they come back later, they have a list of products. We actually have a wish list, excuse me. So if they are on the product, all they have to do is just click this heart, and it'll take them to, well, it tells you that they have to log in first. So let me go ahead and log in and see if it'll allow me to show you this wish list. All right, so I'm going to log in, and then I can actually go up to the wish list for items that I still have in there. Okay, so here it is. So these are items that's in my wish list. And when I'm ready to buy, as a customer, all I have to do is just actually add it to my cart. Pardon me. When I'm ready to buy, all I have to do is just add it to my cart, and I can go and check out. Perfect. And then you will get 20% on their total. And then that is minus discount. So if they use a coupon, you wouldn't get 20% off of the $89.96, and you don't get 20% off of the shipping. Other than that, you get 20% off the base price that the customer has paid. That's your commission. So just for sharing this, just for letting somebody know, hey, Lose a Pound Daily has some good products. You should look into that. If they have any questions, all they have to do is just click this little box right here. And during operating hours, we'll be glad to answer any questions that they have. You don't have to be responsible for answering questions if you don't want to. You can just send them to your link. We'll answer all the questions. You can send them to our Facebook group. They can like our Facebook page and then go ahead and add themselves to our group, and we'll answer every question that we have. And just for doing that, you would get about $18 off of this just for doing that. So if you send 10 people to our website every day, and out of those 10 people, 5 people buy an average of 100 products, $100, excuse me, in products, that's $500 in products for that day. And then you'll be making 20% off of that. So you just made $100 for that day in just referring people, and 5 people purchased. So it's really, really a good deal. It's a good incentive. And again, there's nothing out of pocket from you. You don't have to buy into anything with the company. You're just sharing the goodness of the products that we provide and the service. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Other than that, you have a wonderful money making day.